This is the iPhone 5 glass only screen replacement. It will save you a lot of money if you're willing to invest in all the equipment that it's used for. So we're gonna start with a broken screen. We'll remove the plastic frame from it. And in this video we'll complete the whole process all the way to the point that you see a brand new screen ready to be put in on the iPhone. So now that we have removed the screen, the plastic frame from it, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the hot plate. And this part we gotta do it really quickly to avoid damaging the LCD with heat. We use a really thin string stick it in between the LCD and the glass. So we might want to start from this end to make sure that we do not damage the digitizer. And as you can see, if you do it right, it should come out right off. And here we go. We got the LCD and digitizer off the broken glass. Next step,